Welcome to the second Learning Lab class, Instagram for Beginners. In our last video, we covered setting up an Instagram account. In this video, we will cover how to upload pictures. Open up the app and visit your home screen. And depending on the version that you have, we will select the plus icon in a square. This should take you to your camera roll, as we have already approved the application to connect with your camera roll. We also have a camera icon should you want to take a photo in the moment. See, it opens up your camera. You can start to choose your photo that you have taken in your gallery, or you could select multiple photos by selecting the layering icon. Here it assigns numbers for each photo that you select, and it'll assign it in the order that it'll appear. When you're happy, you could select right arrow. And now, because Instagram started out as a basic filter app for your phone, this still remains where they have preset filter options for you. So you can see how each filter will affect the photo. But whenever you're happy with it, we could just leave it as normal and select right again. Or if you want to really play with your pictures, you could customize it and edit to your liking. But that's probably more work than we need, so we'll just leave it as that. When you're happy, you will select the right icon again, right arrow. From here is where you may add a caption to your photo or something to the effect that reflects the photo. You can insert hashtags as described in our previous photos. For a public account, hashtags help other users find content in similar communities. For a private account, you may still use hashtags more as a summation of what your content is about. Also, we have the tag people section, where you may tag your followers as well. This is helpful in group photos should you simply need to add, say you want to tag the author of the book or other people so that they could get reference, that they could see it if this was a group photo. And lastly, Instagram gives us the option to add a location to our photo. Depending where you are with your mobile device, it will recognize your location and offer notable locations that users in your vicinity have already been tagged. You may select this, or you can look it up for an appropriate location and tag. You are just about ready to post. There will be options if you want to make this post across other social media platforms, but for our purpose, we can ignore this and click share. Done. You have now posted your first picture. As you can see, it's on our home feed. Let's click out of here to our main page and we can see our photo. Join us for our next video where we're going to learn about Instagram stories. Feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to library staff if you have any additional questions.